You've been lied to. You've been told that a garden needs endless sunlight, that your shady patio or dimly lit balcony is a graveyard for color. But what if I told you the best kept secrets in container gardening thrive in the shadows? Today we're exposing the truth about 21 stunning flowers that don't just tolerate the shade, they rule it. If you have a dark corner that needs a burst of life, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to transform the gloom into glory. And trust me, your neighbors won't know what hit them. For a touch of the dramatic, look no further than the fuchsia. Those cascading multicolored flowers steal the show. With vining and trailing types, they're ideal for hanging baskets in the shade. Just remember, no direct heat. This beauty thrives only in dappled light. For a burst of winter and spring color, meet Cineraria, a tender perennial that thrives in shady conditions. Place it in pots under a patio or where bright dappled light filters through. Keep the soil moist while draining and slightly acidic to keep this one happy. Primrose is a pop of color for shady spots. That still gets 2 to 3 hours of sun per day. To help it thrive, use rich, well-draining, slightly acidic soil. Next, Sweet Alyssum, a low-growing annual that releases a delightful honey-like fragrance. The small clustered flowers flourish in partial sun, making it perfect for the edges of containers or hanging baskets. The striking Virginia, especially the Miss Piggy variety, stands out with large textured green leaves and stunning pink flowers. Place it where it gets just a few hours of gentle sunlight daily, and watch it shine. Ever-reliable Impatiens, the true star of full shade gardens, offering an incredible array of vibrant colors. They thrive where other flowers fail, making them perfect for those deep dark corners of your balcony or patio. While they love the shade, a spot that catches the bright morning sun before settling into cool shade for the afternoon is absolutely ideal for maximum bloom power. Next up, the magnificent Astilbe. It adds both rich color and interesting texture to your containers with those feathery plumes. These stunning red, pink, and white blooms rise above deep green leaves, creating a sophisticated, elegant look. Astilbe is a shade lover that also attracts beneficial insects and butterflies to your shaded sanctuary. The delicate and beautiful foam flower, a wonderful perennial that excels in low-light conditions. It produces striking clusters of white blooms atop slender stems, giving it that light, airy appearance. Plant this unique flower in decorative pots to instantly elevate the visual appeal of any shaded area. The striking Caribbean copper plant brings a splash of year-round interest thanks to its vibrant, colorful foliage. Even in the deepest shade, these leaves look incredible, perfectly complementing the tiny white cream flowers on pale yellow bracts. This plant's colorful look makes it an adorable, eye-catching addition to any shaded container garden. Our fifth secret, the lovely amethyst flower, a prolific annual that lights up dim areas with its gorgeous blossoms. You'll find these in shades of white, purple, and blue, all flourishing best in shaded to partially shady spots. Look for compact varieties like the Starlight series or Troll series, both perfectly bred for container life. The sophisticated bush lily, or clivia, brings elegance and class to shady containers. It forms large clumps of lush strap-like green foliage, from which funnel-shaped orange blooms spectacularly emerge. This plant loves dappled shade and indirect light. Shield it from harsh sun to keep it healthy and stunning. The whimsical wishbone flower is known for its exquisite, delicate, multi- and bicolor blooms. It shines from late spring into early summer, perfect for containers that catch morning sun before resting in a cool afternoon shade. This rhythm protects its fragile blooms from the day's intense heat. For a flower that engages more than just your eyes, try the enchanting flowering tobacco. Its colorful, star-shaped blooms look adorable in pots and release a sweet, intoxicating fragrance as the evening air cools. Grow these beauties in partial shade with rich, moist soil for best results. The stunning begonia is a container classic. Colorful flowers meet bold, contrasting foliage. Varieties like Boliviensis, begonia, and Super Cascade thrive in shade or partial shade. They're incredibly versatile, even happy indoors if your outdoor space is dim. For a gorgeous spiller effect, meet Silver Falls. This trailing perennial is adored for its cascading silver leaves that tumble dramatically over container edges. While its red blooms are subtle, that foliage steals the show, growing beautifully in partial shade. The classic lobelia bursts with tiny purple, white, or blue flowers that cascade elegantly over containers or hanging baskets. It loves partial shade, blooming best before the night temperatures grow too warm. The dainty bacopa, a graceful cascade of tiny blooms in soft shades of pink, white, or blue. A fantastic partner for other annuals, it creates lush full displays in window boxes or mixed arrangements. The cheerful pansy is a beloved classic, perfect for containers, especially in cool weather. They adapt from full sun to partial shade, but in partial shade they last longer and bloom more beautifully. The magnificent hydrangea, a showstopper in any container. It comes in a breathtaking array of colors. They love dappled light, where sunlight filters gently, protecting those large, tender leaves and blooms. The lovely phlox, endless shades, endless charm, clusters of sweetly scented blooms that make any space inviting and warm. Rounding out our list is the snowflake bush. Its pure white bracts resemble freshly fallen snow. It thrives in partial shade with well-drained soil. But be careful, the euphorbia's milky sap can irritate skin. You see, the shade is no limitation, it's an opportunity. You now hold the keys to transform your darkest spaces into vibrant, colorful masterpieces. Don't let the sun worshippers tell you otherwise. The secret is out. Now, go on, embrace the shadows. If you want more secrets revealed and to keep transforming your garden, hit that like button and subscribe. And tell us in the comments which one of these shade-loving beauties are you growing first.